For many Garmin users who want a bit more smart in their smartwatch, this is the Apple Watch many will have been waiting for. Larger, longer lasting and more rugged than any other timepiece from Apple in the past. This is designed to be the device for the active users over the Apple Watch 8. It's coming at a much higher price as a result, but if you are looking to get all of the benefits of a watch that can truly communicate with your iPhone but actually helps you achieve your fitness goals, then this could well be the one to go for. Then again, there is a reason brands like Garmin are dominating the premium smartwatch market, where the fitness and health monitoring features are so much more advanced. Can Apple really catch up, and how does it feel to wear this thing? Okay, let's find out. If you are thinking that this is going to be the watch that will cheaply slip in your life and give you a whole new lease of fitness, well, you are halfway wrong. The Apple Watch Ultra is not cheap, coming in at $799 for the 49mm version, but then again it's not as expensive as some might have expected, with rumors of something well over $1,000 in the ether. At least we have got some better news when it comes to when you can get your hands on it. The Apple Watch Ultra release date is set for Friday, September 13th, with pre-orders opening already. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.